Hi everyone, this is Ann. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be on my morning skincare routine, and I haven't done a skincare routine video in about a year and a half, so I wanted to do an updated one because this year I am really focusing on revamping my skincare and focusing on building collagen and cell turnover. I will be 50 this year, and I just do at-home treatments and at-home skincare. I don't get fillers, don't get Botox, don't go in for facials or anything. I just do everything at home. I'm kind of a DIY type of girl. And so I'm revamping everything and trying to get a routine down that I really love, that works really well for anti-aging. And I have my morning skincare routine down. I've been using this same skincare routine for probably a good month and a half, maybe pushing 2 months, and really enjoy it. So every morning I start out my skincare routine by exfoliating my skin. And I have a couple of exfoliants that I really like to use, and one of them is the White Sand Scrub, and another one is the Olay Thermal Crystal Scrub. And I do like to use it with my little Olay machine, which I just apply a little bit of the product and I mix them up. I like them both. And I will list everything that I use in the description box below this video in case you're interested in learning more about the product. And I just apply a little bit of the product to my face, and then I go over it with my little brush that just rotates, not overly fast, just kind of gently. And I just work that in all over my face and neck, and then I rinse it and pat my skin dry with a clean towel. And exfoliating my skin does leave my skin a little bit on the red side, but that does go away pretty quickly. And I am using Retin-A and retinol products in my nighttime routine, which also adds a little bit of skin irritation to me and a little bit of redness, flaking and peeling of my skin. So when I do my exfoliation, if I'm peeling like I am today, I will be a little bit redder in the areas that the old skin is coming off. So after I've exfoliated my skin, I like to apply my serums. And I have 2 serums that I really love and use every morning and every night after I have cleansed my face or exfoliated my face if it's in the morning. And one of them is by Skin Diva, and this is the Argireline plus hyaluronic acid and Matrixyl 3000. This helps to build collagen, and it also helps to smooth facial wrinkles. I apply about 5 drops of this all over my face and neck and just let that sit for about a minute and soak into my skin. And then I go in with my Vichy Lift Active Serum Tint Supreme, and this has Rhamnose in it, which also helps to stimulate new collagen. And I apply 2 little dropperfuls, which is equivalent to about 4 drops of this, because my dropper doesn't fill all the way up, it just fills a little ways up. Both of these serums absorb really well into the skin. I let them sit for about a minute each before I move on to the next step. So after my serums have soaked in for just a minute, I go ahead and apply my daytime moisturizer. And the one that I've been using the last couple of months and absolutely love for a daytime moisturizer underneath my makeup is by Benigma. This has bee venom, manuka honey, shea butter, and almond oil in it. And the bee venom helps to stimulate new collagen growth. And what I love about this as a daytime moisturizer is I don't need a primer with it, because this product acts almost like a primer on my skin underneath my makeup. And I love it. It soaks into my skin well, and it has just a tiny bit of grip to it, so that when I apply my makeup, it really helps to extend the life of my makeup throughout the day. After my moisturizer has soaked in for a little bit, I go ahead and apply my makeup, and I've been using the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. This has a high SPF, it has a 50 plus SPF in it, and I apply it to my face and my neck and just work it in with my fingers and then go over it with a makeup brush just to really blend it in well and have it nice and smooth. For areas of my skin like my chest and my shoulders, anywhere that might be exposed in a shirt, I go ahead and apply another SPF to those areas, and this is a moisturizer with a SPF of 110 in it. It's the Neutrogena Age Shield. I really like this one. It's non-greasy, it absorbs well, and it works really well. I've even used it with my moisturizer or on top of my moisturizer if I'm not using my CC Plus cream that already has the high SPF in it. If I'm using a different type of makeup and it does not have an SPF in it, I'll go ahead and apply this with my moisturizer to my face and my neck as well. And if I'm using the IT CC Plus cream that has the high SPF, then I'll just apply this to areas that are exposed with my shirt necklines. I'll also link the video I did last week on Benigma in the description box below in case you want to learn more about that product. And I do have a discount code that saves, I think, 30% plus free shipping and handling. So I'll link that below in case you're interested in checking that product out as well. Keep in mind, I am not a skincare professional. This is just what I do and what's been working for me, and I just wanted to share it with you guys in case it might be helpful for you. If you've used any of these products, please mention them below in the comments and let us know what you thought of them and how they worked for you. I would love to hear. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter.